0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
See ya. Damn it, I gotta wash my shirt now. What the hell's that? What the hell's that? You don't even know what I'm talking about, huh? Oh, just got tapped right there. There we go. There we go. There we go. Ah. Got him. That's two, baby. Two on the board. Let's go. There you go. There you go. Oh! Yee! Yahoo! You may live to for another day. They're pretty aggressive. A little aggressive, a little aggressive. Don't look down. And hold on summer. Hell no. Oh! Oh! Hey, just a baby. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Don't lay down. What the hell is that? Get him. Get him. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Get him, boy. Joshua. Oh, no way. What? Oh, fuck. No! Why is this doing this? Why? 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 Wish I would understand. What? I did the same thing. Wish I won't step out that door, my friend. Simba. Simba.
There gotta be some under the bridge.
Sorry with my gimp ass. Silverado, silver daughter. About time.
Not buying lunch.
Quit playing with them. He's tiny.
Oh, shit. Well, I seen it.
That's tiny. You're playing with him.
2-pounder, 1-pounder.
Shit.
I seen it. Little thing. Split it in half.
Shit. Shit, boy. Ooh. Better get that, boy. Hey, slow down there, speed racer. Hey, I want that G. Oh, oh no. Oh, he got it. He got it right on the drop. Oh! Oh! Ah! Ah! Dude, look at my shoulder. I got hooked in the shoulder, bro. Yay, tiny boy. That's tiny boy. Don't let me down. Oh, there we go. Oh.
Electric fence. Oh.
Don't let me down. Got a little bonito bug, little bonito crawfish bug. Called a little jambalaya. Called the little bonito jumble bug. Catch it. Singing the wine. Put on brand new line and this shit just breaks on me. Wasted $12, $13. Oh shit. 6 pound too. Oh, oh, oh! There we go. Oh no! They're not eating this whole fucking bud. They're not fucking swallowing. They're not committing. They're not committing. Chat, they're not committing. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. We got one commit. We got one to commit. We got one to commit. Yeah, boy. That was the biggest one. Got him. Don't let me down. Here comes Josh trying to ruin my fish and leave this guy. Fuck
Oh, where's your camera at? You don't know.
Shit, dude. Shut your fucking face, motherfucker. You're good.
Nobody caught shit. I caught two.
I got one.
You caught 2, 3.
Got one.
No, you caught like 2 or 3. Fuck that.
Right up by the log, Jeremiah.
It was a beautiful hit. It was like heroin.
What? It's like a goose call. There you go. There you go. What the fuck was out of there? You snagged him in the tail? That's the tiniest one. That's the fucking tiniest one. Damn that shit. That's
Victor, I got a hook in the mouth.
that's
Fuck
tiny
you.
ass doggy.
Total hook in the mouth.
That's a fucking
Fuck
tiny
you.
ass
That's a
dog.
legit
That's a
catch.
tiny dog. That's a little dink, my doggy.
I don't care.
That's
but
like
I
a
still
minnow.
got one,
That's like a
Victor.
little minnow.
I don't care. I still got the numbers.
Whatever.
Got the size.
Whatever.
Numbers.
Whatever,
My
son.
northern's best so far.
Whatever, son.
I think I proved myself at Boji today, so
Oh.
because Victor he decided to go without us and went to the wrong bodies of water.
It's
I
shallow,
want to
right?
test it out,
Yeah,
buddy.
It's hard to fit, but they're in there. Okay.
What are you doing? What do you think? What do you think you're doing there? What do you think you're doing there, buddy? What do you think you're doing there, little buddy, old pal?
I'm using actual bait they want to taste,
Oh yeah,
and you're just using that weird,
bonito bug.
that weird store-bought shit.
Fuck that. I went with the crawfish.
Right here. Oh, I just
Is that the- I went with the crawfish.
Oh shit! There we go.
Ah! Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go, Josh. Oh my God! Motherfucker! Motherfucker! He got off. He's right. He can't catch that shit. Look at that boy. Look at that little city boy. City boy. City boy. City boy. City boy.
Stud, dude. He's a fucking little stud.
Oh, here we go. Josh, I got another one. Oh! Let's go! Wow! Yeah, that's it. And it's it. Real shitty.
Damn, boy, that is a fat
We got that red skinny old skinny.
female.
That's a little large beast.
Have fun.
Got him on the bonito bug, boys. We're back on board. Let's go.
Just fucking missed one, too.
Oh, poor baby. Let's get
There it is. I got it this time.
him. Get him.
Boy, let's go, baby.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Don't wait.
Get him.
Don't wait.
He come up already.
Oh, shit.
Ah, there you go, boy. There you go, boy.
Out of nowhere.
There you go, little boy.
That is a good one.
There you go, little boy.
Nice one.
Come on. Keep it straight. Come on.
There you go, boy.
Nope, he's just a little guy.
You little baby.
He's nice.
Meow.
That's the second one I doubled up on, though.
Oh.
That bluegill pet lure pays off.
Fuck yeah.
He's a little crawdad. There you go, boy. There you go, boy. There you go, boy.
Thanks. Thank you. Keep growing. Keep growing. Come on.
Little bonito. I got that little bonito bug. Little nice bonito bug. Let's go. It better not fall. Fuck. Shit. Shit, boy.
Lord Jesus, keep me steady on my feet. I love you because I love you.
There's bubbles right there, Jeremiah. Right in the middle there.
Bonito bugs.
You just cast it?
Get a nice little bonito bug.
You're some aggressive little bastards.
Oh yeah. They hungry. Oh no, I got stuck.
That's gonna hit it. Oh, that's a nice you motherfucker. That was like a fucking 5-pound catfish.
There you go, boy. I told you they were stacked right there.
Might be a nicer one.
There you go. Ah! Too fast, boy. Look at him. Look at him. Quit playing like that. Oh, stag. That don't count.
I'd say he's a nice one though.
That don't count.
Boy, for a smallie.
There's a nice tree right there. How about that? A little happy tree right there.
Boys glad we came fishing.
Me and Jemima already have a fun day. This is even more fun. You want ice cream?
We can go, JJ.
I just want to go with that dog.
Yeah, no.
Go home with some old milk.
The whole deal.
Yeah, treat them right. Treat
Is
them
the
right.
whole deal.
Fuck, I got a lot of. See them bubbles, Jeremiah?
Where?
Yeah, right here.
I'm not active with my bonito bug no more, huh? The little bonito bug is just not doing
I'm
jib,
forever
gibberish.
believer in this bluegill. Jeremiah, that same thing, but mine looks like a chip.
Right here. I think it's a turtle.
Like, all right, where you at?
Turtle. run this time.
What did you say? What did you say?
Big Mama.
You sound like a bunch of gibberish.
That was kind of fun. Oh, yeah. There we go.
No!
Hey, big Mama.
Bro! Oh, there you go. You got out. Oh, I got one! Oh! He got off the fucking corner! What? What's that? What's that?
There's the flag. That's how they're hanging out of here. Down tree. I found down tree, boys.
Josh is the fish killer.
Pretty sure that hungry fucker I got twice now. His lips are ripped. He's still hungry. Oh, what hit the fridge? All Victor's fault.
Shit, boy.
Ripping lips, man. Victor wishes he could catch a fish like I have.
Shit. Shit, boy. Shit, boy.
Sure enough.
Got 3 though.
Why does it feel so tight?
This guy throw at your line.
Just gotta throw a Josh and I'll catch one. Damn it. On that one.
Perfect cast.
See if I was.
There must be a big fish in there if they just shut off all of a sudden.
Can't believe there's no 2 pounders in here. Fuck. They're pretty low here. Seems like.
Gotta rip ass. Oh. Sorry, chat.
Good try showing enough too.
Wanna show your nuts? Oh shit, I went over the bridge!
That's gotta go.
You guys would!
Damn it! You got out that time.
Yeah, I just lost my fucking lead.
Did you just lose your pole or what?
No, my fucking, whatever that was, just snapped my fucking line.
Oh, I'm ready to go park.
Whatever the fuck that was, just snapped my fucking line.
Oh shit.
Oh my fucking god. No,
Oh, they-
right there.
What the hell is that?
It snapped my fucking
It snapped his line.
whatever it was.
I saw it. I was watching you.
Oh, we're about to find out.
It just took my fucking raffle unaware. Take it. Oh my fucking god. I'm done.
You guys both using shad?
I'm only using the crawdad.
I'm using a fucking minnow one, a black and white one.
I was using that
I
red.
just took my shot
Crawdad.
and just went poof.
I was using that bonito bug. Little bonito bug.
I'm not using a damn leader either, so.
Me either. I wasn't using the leader either. Oh my fucking god. Nothing there, Chris. Going through this final
Ha! Should've went braided.
Get out of there, that's awesome.
Oh my god. What is up? Let's see. Oh! Dude! This monoline's bullshit from fucking Worthington. It's fucking weaker than fuck.
You just snap your line too?
Dude! No, this line breaks easy. Did it like fucking twice.
Oh, 6
already.
by 10, 12.
Nah, this was fucking 6 pound line. There's no way this line breaks like that. Brand new. Fucking monos. Fucking, oh my god.
About doing mine too.
Fuck.
I've got a bird.
Fuck's sake. Sorry for the swearing, John. Fuck's sake. You know what? It's going like this. Sorry. Yeah, it's just so much. What are we doing here? Due to weak transmission. Nah. Yeah. Views all day. I'm gonna rig up. I'll be back in another phone.
Something just banged up over there.
Yeah, the model line that we bought from Worthington is fucking shit. $13, and this shit rips like a fucking quarter.
That's trash. Mine fucking spools up when you put gas out. You ain't got a big gas, so you got a big gas.
Oh, first class, that fucking cat just snapped out of me like, what the fuck is this big spool of flying? I was like, oh my god. Beautiful kid.
Be happy, 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 and you know it. I was just fishing those rockster, man. I caught 3. I was just fishing those rocks and I caught 3. Small.
Ouch. Ouch.
I haven't got one over a pound yet.
Foot.
Something bit me out on a fish.
Keep the line,
Yeah,
bro.
if you catch it, just get my fucking lure back.
He might.
Yeah, that's a nice fish, too.
Oh, there we go. Right behind the tree. Right behind the tree. Right behind the tree, baby.
You would catch one right away.
Ah, banana bug. Bonita bug, baby. Damn, he crushed it. God, I can't wait to watch this video at home. Crushing it. Just crushed it. No! Looks like this for the end of the day. Caught about 5 or 6. But yeah, stay tuned on the next one.